Do you want to know how you can log into your Interakt AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Interakt AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to your search bar and then search for Interakt AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this portal where you can see that it is the login portal of Interakt AI. If you click on sign in, which is over here, it will take you to this page where you can log in using your Gmail or your email address. So if you want to skip this, go ahead and click sign in with Google, choose your Gmail address, press continue, and then you can sign in to your Interakt AI account with your Gmail. If you want to go ahead with the email process, write down your email address over here in this box and then write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can sign in using your email in Interakt AI. I hope this video about how you can log into your Interakt AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.